How to remove About Me in Discord. Well, that is what I'm going to show you guys in this pretty quick and easy tutorial. So if this video helped you out, let me know in the comments. But right over here, I have a server, as you can see, and if I go to my profile, then here you can see an About Me. So the About Me is subscribed to my channel, so make sure to do that. But basically, if I want to remove this, it is very easy. So I can already over here click on edit user profile because that is where you want to click on. If you do not want to do it via a server, what you can also do is simply go all the way back until you see like that bottom bar. Then click on the bottom right to go to your profile. Then click on profiles. And here you can also edit your user profile. You do not want to edit the server profile, but instead you want to edit the user profile. And here you can already see an About Me. Now you basically want to do, if you would like to remove it, is simply remove all of the text. Click on save on the top right corner. And then go back. Then I'll show you guys that real quick inside of the server that the About Me is now gone. So this basically works the same on your PC as well. So yeah, that is how to remove About Me in Discord.